Hey, what's going on guys? In this video we are going to see how to write a program that's going to find out the prime factor of a particular number. Now if you want to know what is prime factor is, you know prime number. Prime number is the number that can be only divisible by itself and 1, okay? And prime factor is we had to see what are the multiplication of a number that should be only prime numbers. For example, if I take 24, let's give an example. Let's say 24. What are the multiplication of 24 only by prime numbers? So if you look at the factors will be 2, 2, 2, 3, because if you multiply 2 and 2, that's going to be 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 3, 24, and all of them are prime numbers. That's what we are going to get from this program. Okay, now first I'm going to introduce an integer type of variable. Let's name this one as num. And also we are going to give a prompt to the user to enter the number, because based on the user is going to enter a number, we are going to find the prime factor for that number. Okay, backslash n, enter the number, and then the next thing is we have to get the number from the user. So we have to put a scanf statement to get the number. We put %d because integer type of variable. We put %d right here, and whatever the number user is entering, it's going to store in num. Now the next thing is we are going to create another function. Let's go ahead and create that one first before I write this one. Okay, let's go ahead and create another function. In this function I'm going to call this function as prime. So void function, and I'm going to call this function prime, integer num. Okay, here we are going to find out the prime factors. To find out the prime factor, first I initialize I to 2, integer I is equal to 2, and then we are going to give a printf statement right here. In this one we are going to say prime factors are okay, it's loading. I'm using an online compiler, sometimes it's slow. Okay, now it's working. Let's go ahead and write this one. Prime factors of %d are, this is going to print out whatever the value stored in num. Okay, the next thing is now we have to find out the prime factor. To find out the prime factors, first I'm using a while loop. I'm going to set a condition in this while loop that while num is not equal to 1. If it's not equal to 1, it's going to enter this loop, and here we have to do some operation to find out the prime numbers. First I'm giving the if statement. In the if statement, if the num divided by I, if the remainder is 0, if the remainder of the division by I is equal to 0, then it's going to go to this if statement, and then here we are going to give a printf statement for I. Printf %d, and this is going to be I. And the next thing is else, if the remainder is not equal to 0, it's going to go right here. And in this one we are going to do the increment of I by 1, I plus plus, and also going to put a continue mean it's going to break right there and go back to the top. Okay, now, and also finally we have to put num is equal to num divided by I. And also whenever we create a new function, we have to do the prototyping. To do the prototyping, what we do is we just copy this one and put it on top. Copy this one and put it above integer main, and we don't need this num right here, and put it like this. And now we are going to call this function. So the function name is prime num. We are going to call this function right here. Let's put it like this. Now that's it. Now let's go ahead and run this one. Enter the number. As we seen before, 24, we found out we know the prime number of 24, 2223. Now let's see whether we get that one. 24, 2223, and you can do it for any number. For example, let's say 50. The prime numbers are 255, and that's how we do that. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn C or C++ programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.